everyone, we have prepared latest market updates for October 4th, 2022. Asian stocks bounced amid Britain's tax backdown. Asian stocks rose on Tuesday following Britain's decision on tax cut plan. This fact improved global market sentiment and supported pound and bonds. Australian dollar was pushed down. S&P ASX 200 index rose by 3.6% and three-year bond reached their best day in 13 years. That happened because Australia's central bank decided to lift interest rates by a smaller than expected 25 basis points. MSCI's broadest index of Asia-Pacific shares outside Japan rose 1.7% due to gains in Australia. Markets of China and Hong Kong were closed for holidays. FTSE futures rose by 0.8%, Japan's Nikkei rose by 2.8%, sterling managed to reach its two-week high of $1.1343, making for a bounce now of almost 10% from a record low hit last week after plans for unfunded tax cuts unleashed chaos on British assets. S&P 500 futures rose 1% following a 2.6% bounce for the index overnight. South Korea's Kospi bounced 2.5%, leaving its last week's two-year low. Global manufacturing activity affects gold and copper prices. On Tuesday, gold and copper prices were slow after a strong rally on a weakening dollar, but the red metal gains were lowered by more signs of weakening global manufacturing activity. The yellow metal rose on Monday, retesting the $1,700 level after nearly 3 weeks. Prices of gold rose after weak U.S. manufacturing and construction data suggested that the Federal Reserve may have to temper its pace of rate hikes to prevent further economic destruction. The weak manufacturing data with dismal results from Japan, the Eurozone, and the UK on Monday lowered copper prices on fears of further demand fall. Copper futures were flat at $3.4180 on Tuesday after rising by 0.8% on the prior session and were trading near two-month lows. The red metal managed to get some support from a weakening dollar, which has weighed heavily on the metals market this year. Global weakening manufacturing trends are also expected to keep industrial metal prices dampened in the near term, although markets expected 2023 recovery in activity to boost the sector. Generation Z choose TikTok. The younger generation without disposable income financially savvy thanks to short-form videos in social media. In July 2021, TikTok hit 3 billion downloads. The social network reached more than 1 billion active monthly users. TikTok is now more popular among Generation Z than Instagram in the USA. Finance theme on TikTok has become so popular that it has got its own content FinTok, finance-related content. It has seen a meteoric rise along with the social network itself. Last year in crypto, hashtag rose getting 1.9 billion videos. Uploads tagged NFT increased by awesome 93,000%. And videos with the stock talk hashtag got 1.4 billion views. Over the last 6 months, Bitcoin lost more than 70% from its all-time high of $69,000 in 2021. Market volatility should be expected, but if DeFi world has a future, it needs to attract more people. Such volatility on cryptocurrencies scares many investors. Fortunately, Generation Z are far from a typical investor. It shows that the youth of today have a healthy appetite for financial information.